Are you able to understand all these?
Yes.
Now, once we have done this, so first we have done if function, then with if we have seen not function, then within if we have used and function, then with if we have seen or function, then by using a countf, we have counted that in how many weeks the transaction value is more than 5,000. And then we have used multiple if, or we can also call them as a nested if, wherein we have combined multiple functions, multiple if function to get the different ratings. Right? So this is what we have done. Now, if I go on the right hand side, here again we have some description and we want to see their values. So first is lowest transaction. First is lowest transaction. And to calculate the lowest transaction, we have the function called min. In Excel, we have a function called min, which will give me the minimum number from the range. So my function is min, and this min I would like to apply on my total transaction. So min and the range is my j column, right? So on this, in this range j column, the minimum transaction value is 0. And after min, the way we have min, we also have a function called max, which will give us the maximum number from the range. So I've opened the max function, and when I go on the left, let me again select my total transaction. On this range earlier I applied the function called min, but now on this range I will apply the function max, and the output is 40,000. So minimum transaction value is 0 and the maximum transaction value is 40,000. After the maximum transaction or the highest transaction, I would like to know the second highest transaction or a third highest transaction, fourth highest transaction. Or now I know the lowest transaction value, which is 0, but now I would like to know the second lowest or the third lowest transaction value. So apart from min and max, we have two more functions, large and small. So any kind of a highest number, use the large function. Any kind of highest number, use the large function. And large function require only two arguments, array comma k, from which range you want, and the k means the position. I want second largest number. So my array is my total transaction. My array is my total transaction, comma, k. K means the position. I want second largest number. So second largest number, so position is 2. 2 will give me second largest number from my j column. And instead of 2, if I type 3, that will give me third largest number from this array. As of now, we want a second largest number, so let me take it back to 2. The function is large. My range, comma 2, will give me second largest number from this array, which is 34,858. Function is large. And the way we have a large function, we also have a function called small. We also have a function called small, which will give me the lowest numbers, and we want third lowest number. So function is small, array comma k. So array means my total transaction value, right? And from here, I'm looking for the third lowest number, third smallest number. So that is 3. So function is small, array is this, comma 3 will give me third smallest number, which is 7,352. So just now we have covered four functions: min, max, small, and large. We have covered these 4 functions: min, max, small, and large. Got it? So, these are the few functions which we have covered. Now I need a glass of water, so give me 2 minutes. Let me bring some water and then we'll continue, right? Till that time, let me do one thing. Let me simply go to formulas and I say show formula. So you will be able to see all the functions which we have applied here, right? So give me 2 minutes, I'll be back.